Hello everyone, welcome back to Morning Crypto. This is a channel all about technical analysis and price predictions, and today we could be talking about AMP. And pretty much I came across this coin on crypto.com and I saw it on the top trending list, and it's moving up by a lot. I think when I saw it on crypto.com, it was up by like 50%, so I was like, holy crap. So I just wanted to check it out and do a technical analysis on it, and also show you guys my price prediction and my technical analysis, and see where the market's going to go. And for those who are invested into AMP as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the technical analysis. So first things first, I drawn out all the support and resistance, right? As you can see, I already laid that out for you guys. And what I like to do is I like to see where the market is going, the price action, right? And looking at the moving average here, as you can see, it was a downtrend, right? You see a downward trend motion. However, we see a shift on the moving average. The two moving average finally crossed here, so now it's starting to form a uptrend, okay? Which is a good sign, because in order for me to do a Fibonacci retracement level, is only good for uptrends or downtrends. Okay, so now it's finally forming an uptrend. So what I like to do is I want to draw out my Fibonacci from higher low to higher high, right? So from here to here, as you can see that the retracement dropped all the way down to the 0.786 level, okay? And usually I like to tell my viewers that the 0.5 and the 0.618 level is usually the area where the market will tend to flip, right? And as you can see, it looked like it's about to flip, but it didn't. So it went all the way down to this 0.786 level. So usually that's the last resort, right? That's the last resort of where it's like, okay, if this if it doesn't flip here, then it's going to go back down to a downward trend, right? So luckily it did form a retracement. As you can see, it was a huge shot up price action, just a huge buy. And if we look at a 4-hour chart here, you can see my blue moving average, which is the 200 moving average. So my green is the 50, my red is the 20, the blue is the 200. And what's is good? This is a good sign that this is forming a uptrend. Okay, so there's this thing that's called a golden circle, and a golden circle is the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average. Once it crosses either up or down, is an indication that it's going to be forming a long trend. Okay, and big times investors use this. I know banks use this, so it's a really good indicator that is gonna form a long uptrend. So it did happen over here, right? 4-hour time frame. It did form a golden circle. It did shot up, okay, but usually it tends to go longer than that. But it fall out short. Now it's happening again. So hopefully this time it will continue shooting back up, because looking at the past history of AMP, is it already shown as a downtrend price action anyway. So now finally we get to see a uptrend price action. So hopefully the history doesn't repeat itself. Hopefully the history is different this time. So what AMP needs to do is break out this resistance level. Okay, and the reason I'm saying that is because the previous price action, it bounced, right? It hit this resistance level and it retraced back down. So it's happening the second time. So hopefully the second time it will break. And usually when it breaks out a resistance or support, it will have to retest. Okay, so once the breakout happens, it has to retest back at the new support, and then hopefully we'll go back up. Okay, so that's step one. and I want to see where this next price point that's going to be. So let's go ahead and draw out our trend-based Fibonacci extension from our higher low to a higher high to our recent higher low, which is down here. So as you can see here, we might be able to see it go to the 12 cent, which is past this all-time high. So we potentially might see it this time because that's the last all-time high was. So and we're seeing an uptrend now. So it's a possibility that might happen. All right. So come to look of it, these three moving average finally cross. Okay, so it's finally retracing here. Okay, so we might be able to see that with the trend-based fib extension, it might drop down to the 0.382 and then hopefully come to this resistance level. Okay, then retest back at the new support, and then move that, and then from here hopefully we'll go up. Okay, that's what I'm looking at here. So the goal is to break out of this resistance level for AMP. Okay, from right to left, because it didn't break out here, so hopefully the second time it will. Hopefully it doesn't form a double top, and we don't want to see that. If it forms a double top, then we might see come down a bit and then it might go up. So hopefully it just comes down to this level here, the 0.5, 0.382 level. Okay, and don't, hopefully I'm not getting mixed up with you guys. So the 0.5, this is the actual original Fibonacci retracement. Wait, hold on, is that right? Yeah, it's the original. Okay, so that's the original, and then the Fibonacci extension is the price action of where the next prediction of where the price is going to be at. Okay, so that's at 0.382. Okay, so hopefully it just stops right there. Usually the 0.5 is a solid area that you want to be at, or the 0.618, and then hopefully we'll go back up. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave any comments down below if you have any questions, any concerns about my price action, my price predictions. Go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. And if there's any other coin that you guys want me to do, I'll be happy to do it. Just go ahead and let me know. And like I said, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I do technical analysis every single day, so you guys could get that notification of when I post. And hopefully I might do your favorite coin. Okay, so without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.